Welcome to another new video from our Gold Gain YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell about our Telegram channel service. So subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon now to get the latest updates. Let's start the main video. Our Telegram channel name is Gold Gain. We deal with gold market. We always try to provide accurate gold market analysis and signals. If you check our Telegram channel, you can see we provide daily gold market analysis with proper signals for free. You can join our Telegram channel now to see gold market analysis with signals result on our Telegram channels. The link of our Telegram channel is given in the comment box of the video. If you want, you can take our account management service. We do proper market analysis and manage our clients' accounts safely. So, if you want, you can take a lot of profit daily through our proper account management. You can take our account management service. So, without delay, join our Telegram channel now and enjoy our free signal.